Hi students, today one more important short notes that is coming from minerals. The question name is what do you mean by macro minerals and what do you mean by micro minerals, right? Actually there is a cutoff value, that is number is 100 milligram. If the requirement per day is more than 100 milligram, if the requirement is less than 100 milligram, right? So macro mineral means the requirement is more than 100 milligram per day. RDA will be more than 100. Whereas micro mineral means the requirement is less than 100 milligram per day, right? So what are all the examples for macro minerals and what are all the examples for micro minerals? The number one is sodium, right? You all very well know about this. This is one of the important cation present in the extracellular fluid, sodium. So the normal value is 1.35 to 1.4, sorry, 135 to 145 milliequivalents per liter, right? Here the RDA is, this is actually normal value in the blood. Here RDA is 2 to 5 grams, that is more than 100 milligram. Coming to next one is potassium. This is actually the cation of intracellular fluid. Normal value is 3.5 to 4.5 milliequivalents per liter. For this also the RDA is 1 to 5 grams. Okay. Third one is calcium. Very, very important mineral. So you know the serum level or blood level of calcium is 9 to 11 milligram per deciliter. Here this is per day requirement. So 500 for infants, 800 milligram for adult milligram. 500 to 800 milligram for infants and adults for the mineral of calcium. Next is phosphorus. Again, this is also same number, 500 to 800 milligram per day. Last one is magnesium. This is 300 to 450 milligram per day. So all are more than requirement of all are more than 100 milligrams per day. Right. Next, coming to micro minerals, that is less than 100 milligram per day. This is otherwise known as trace elements. Okay. First one is copper. The range is, that is per day requirement is 1.5 to 3 milligram per day. For copper, very, very important short notes. Next one is iron. This is your essay question. Here the RDA is for men 10 milligrams, women it depends 30 to 60, premenopausal, postmenopausal, pregnancy, lactation 30 to 60 milligram per day. In iron, you should know about the deficiency manifestations as well as the toxicity manifestations. The next one is selenium, very, very important, micro mineral or trace element. The requirement is per day is 50 to 200 microgram, very minute amount, 50 to 200 micrograms, very small amount. Okay, so three functions and two diseases you should read at your free time. Next is zinc. Here the RDA is 15 to 20 milligram, less than 100. Okay, so here also so many functions, five functions, and a very, very important function is for insulin. Secretion and storage of insulin needs always magnesium. Sorry, always zinc. Next, here the disease is acrodermatitis enteropathica, one of the important MCQs. The last one is fluoride, that is 1.5 to 4 milligram. This is actually in your book, the measurement is 1 to 2 ppm, parts per million, because it is present only in the water. So the level is 1 to 2 parts per million. Next one is iodine, goiter, you know very well. So the requirement is 150 to 200 microgram per day. Very, very small amount, microgram per day iodine. So this is for the minerals, that is macro minerals and micro minerals. At your free time, you go through. Already we have uploaded all the separate videos for all these micro and macro nutrients. Okay.